All right, so we're going to be solving exponential equations today. Yesterday, the ones that we were solving all had bases that could be made the same, so we could just equate the exponents. But today, we're going to have some where we can't make the bases the same. So we're going to have to rewrite in its logarithmic form in order to solve it. So for this first one, we've got 5 to the power x equals 75. First thing I would always try is to try to make the bases the same. But 75 cannot be written as 5 to a power, and 5 can't be written as anything else to a power. So this one, I'm just going to change it to its logarithmic form. So this would be log base 5 of 75 equals x. Now that would be an exact answer. But we do need to get a decimal approximation for this as well. So we are going to need a calculator. You can use the calculator on your phone like we did before. If you turn the phone sideways, your calculator will turn into a scientific calculator, which has logarithm as an option. It only does base 10 or base e, though. So in order to put log base 75 in your calculator on your phone, you'd have to put in log 75 over log 5. And when you do that, you should get 2.683 for this one. That one is an approximation, of course, so we do have an approximately equal to for that. For the second one up here, we've got 32 to the power x plus 1 equals 15. Now, 32 and 15 do not have any exponential expressions in common. 32 could be written as 2 to the 5th power, but that's not going to help us a lot in this case. So I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite it as its logarithmic form. So that would make it log base 32 of 15 is equal to the power x plus 1. And then to solve for x, I would need to subtract 1 from both sides. So that would make it say log base 32 of 15 and then minus 1. Now this log base 32 of 15 has to get evaluated before we subtract 1 from both sides. So once again, if you're using that calculator in your phone, in order to put log base 32 of 15 in there, you'd have to put in log of 15 over log of 32. And then subtract 1. And when you do that, you should get negative 0.219. Alrighty, now there are a couple of questions on the form for you to try.